Today, we're diving into the world of AI comparing two big players, Grok-3 and ChatGPT. Both are chatbots that are designed to answer your questions and have conversations. But what sets them apart? Let's break it down in under 2 minutes. First up, Grok-3. This AI was developed by xAI, a company founded by Elon Musk. It's designed to integrate deeply with the X platform, yes, the one formerly known as Twitter. Grok-3 specializes in real-time, dynamic interactions and excels in pulling in live data from the X platform. If you're looking for up-to-the-minute news, trends, or discussions happening on X, Grok's your AI. Grok-3's strength? It's built for those who want AI that's super connected with the latest posts and updates from X, pulling in relevant content and offering fast, current insights. Plus, Grok's integration with X means it can directly reference and analyze posts, hashtags, and user activity in real time. Perfect for social media enthusiasts and influencers who want to stay ahead of the game. Now let's talk about ChatGPT. Developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT is the OG of conversational AI. It's not just limited to any one platform, it's versatile, supporting all kinds of queries. Whether it's writing an essay, explaining complex ideas, helping you with code, or just having a friendly chat, ChatGPT's got you covered. ChatGPT's strength, its flexibility, it's trained on a massive range of topics, and it's not tied to a specific platform like Grok-3. So whether you're on the go or at home, you can always rely on it for anything from creative brainstorming to deep research. Moreover, with constant updates from OpenAI, so Grok-3 versus ChatGPT, what's the big difference? Grok-3 shines with real-time live updates, especially for X users, while ChatGPT is the all-arounder for any kind of query, across a wide range of topics. ChatGPT also offers more versatility in areas like academic support, creative writing, coding help, and even professional development. So which one should you choose? Well, if you're looking for instant, up-to-date content from X, Grok-3 is your pick. But if you need a chatbot that can handle almost anything, from answering questions to writing your next big project, ChatGPT has you covered. Hope this helps you choose which AI to play with. Let us know which one you prefer in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech breakdowns. See you in the next video.